Ever wished you could build a data pipeline directly within your Ubuntu terminal, automating tasks and watching information flow? Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of loop streams in the Ubuntu terminal, learning how to create data flows for custom workflows. First, we'll start by opening your terminal. That's where the magic happens. Then, we'll enter a basic loop command. This command is structured to continually perform a sequence of actions. After entering your commands, you'll then be able to see the loop in action, displaying real-time output within your terminal. This could be anything from a simple counter to more complex data feeds. But what if you want to customize or control specific values within the loop? We can modify the command to alter the data displayed. Experiment with different parameters, creating custom data streams. Before you know it, using loop streams can open up a new level of control. This technique is just a small sample of all the tips available. Consider this your foundation. Keep practicing and start exploring the potential of your terminal.